Hey there! If your iPhone's battery is draining way too quickly, you're not alone. This can happen for a number of reasons, like apps running in the background, certain settings, or features that use up more power than necessary. No worries though, I have got you covered with 8 simple tips that will help you fix this issue and extend your battery life. Let's jump into it. Solution 1. Disable background app refresh. Background app refresh lets apps update in the background, which can use up your battery. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Background app refresh. Now, choose Off to turn off background app refresh entirely and stop it from draining your battery. Solution 2. Turn off location services. Location services like GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth to track your location, which can be a major battery drain, especially if apps are using it a lot. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services. Scroll down and select System Services. Here, you can turn off features like HomeKit or Suggestions and Search that you do not need running in the background. If you don't need location services on all the time, you can toggle location services off entirely to save even more battery. Solution 3. Turn off True Tone and reduce screen brightness. Your display is a huge battery drain. Turning off True Tone and lowering the screen brightness can really help. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open Control Center. Tap and hold the brightness slider, then turn off True Tone. After that, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Display and Brightness, then adjust the brightness slider to a lower setting. Solution 4. Enable Auto Brightness. Auto Brightness will automatically adjust the screen's brightness depending on your environment, which can save battery. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and select Display and Text Size. Scroll down and toggle on Auto Brightness. Solution 5. Turn off unwanted or push notifications. Push notifications constantly check for updates, which can drain your battery over time. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Find apps that do not need notifications, like the App Store or YouTube, and turn off notifications for those apps. Solution 6. Disable visual effects. Certain visual effects and animations use up extra power. Turning them off will help conserve your battery. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Toggle on Reduce Motion to turn off unnecessary animations and effects that use up battery life. Solution 7. Disable automatic downloads. Automatic downloads in the background can update apps and download new content, which uses up battery. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, turn off apps and app updates to stop apps from downloading automatically. Solution 8. Enable Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode reduces power consumption by turning off certain features, saving your battery. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Toggle on Low Power Mode. This will dim the display, reduce background activity, and turn off certain visual effects to save battery life. Solution 9. Check battery usage by apps. Some apps are battery hogs. Checking which apps are using the most power can help you figure out where to make changes. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. You'll see a list of apps under battery usage showing which apps are using the most power. Consider limiting or deleting apps that use up too much battery. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to cut down on battery drain and get a longer lasting battery on your iPhone. Let me know if these tips helped you. Or if you have got any more questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help.